was 37 years this August now. Obviously, the reasons I volunteered, I wanted to put something back into my community. It runs in the family, so it just seemed natural that I carried on doing something, and obviously I do to this day. Yeah, obviously I was an inspector on the RPU up until last year, but in my role in RPU, it was quite enlightening when we first got onto the department. We had lots of training and input around working on fast roads, and we attended thousands and thousands of events and public events for South Wales Police. Some of the training we've received training on Stinger, on the handheld speed camera, and some people were lucky enough to be able to have the advanced grade 3 driving then to drive the traffic cars. We also got trained with ANPR, and we used to use the ANPR vehicles. So there's wide and varied things that we can do within the RPU department. There's a high demand in the community these days around issues with speed. So we do attend areas where there's been concerns raised through to the RPU inspector, and we do carry out the tasking of checking the speeds, and if needs be, issuing tickets to the people that are offenders. Well, I think it makes a huge difference for the people of the local communities where you live and work. As they say, the people are the police are the people, and we're all there to help as much as we can. And I think by volunteering, whether it be a special or any other volunteering role, no matter what line it's in, I think it's well worth putting your time back in to show that you respect your community then.